Hey everyone, welcome back in another video. This is Spotube iOS version and I will show you how you can get it on any iPhone and iPad. It's pretty simple guys, and it's one of the best apps that any iOS user should have. Even if you have the latest iOS 18 or the latest iPhone or iPad, this one will work. It's pretty cool guys, and everybody that loves music needs to have it on their devices. So guys, to get the Spotube on iOS, it's pretty simple guys. First, on your iPhone or iPad, you need to go to settings and you need to scroll down to the battery, and we need to be sure that the low power mode is off. Okay, so after you do that, your device is ready to get the Spotube. So guys, all you need to do, you need to go to APK mode iOS, and at the top right, just write Spotube and click done, and you should see the Spotube for iOS. It's only 25 megabytes. Click on it guys, and you have info about it. It's more than 500,000 downloads. It's only 25 megabytes, and the rating is 98%, very good. So that's perfect. So when you're ready, just install and wait a couple of seconds for the app to download on your iPhone or iPad. Finally guys, we have an iOS version because the Spotube was only in Android, and I'm sure that many people wanted this application. So guys, you can see that it says that my app has been installed. I need to restart my device. That thing I did before, but I must tell you that sometimes, depending on the country that you're downloading the Spotube, it may ask you some extra steps. So if you see some extra steps, be sure to make the game levels. And after you complete it and you get the Spotube, you can just delete those games. Simple as that. So guys, if you need any help, please let me know in the comments, at the comment section. Any feedback, just let me know. I'm always very happy to answer and contact with you guys. And if you need any help, I'm here for you. I will do my best to answer you as quick as possible. So thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy today's application for iPhone and iPad. See you next time for more iOS videos.